so much dust in there. All this wind, you can't even see the mountains out there. Holy goodness. Man, you can't even see them mountains now. Not a bit. All that is dust from the wind that's been kicking up all day. You guys might remember in our last video we were helping Homer put a new awning cover on. Well, here's what happened. So today we're going to head over to Homer's and we're going to finish that job. So come along with us. We'll see you there. Full-time RV life, real full-time RV folks. But you line these holes up with this hole where that pin is.
How about this one?
And then you'll be able to lock it.
Oh.
It's the same size as what I'm trying.
Okay. Yep.
Plan B.
What we're going to do, we'll be back here and I'll be going there, so we'll pull both these ends off. And then I'm going to just manually roll that all the way back up. And then we need to attach these back on up there. Hey. And then when you unwind it, of course, just put it in. Right, because we got to wind both sides up at the same time. This is the driver, and when you do down here, pull this off, we'll stand this up so that it's up there for you when you get up there. And when you get up there, we'll just wind it up and just set this side and you take that one off. First, I want to be safe. So I'm going to put these on it just in case. So, I don't want to know where nobody. Alright.
You need another up.
Okay. Gotta go all the way up.
You want my mom and dad's bucket?
Lock it. Yep. So it's up there waiting on you. I need you on this end so I can go get the other end loose. And then we're going to roll it all the way up and stick it in the legs up top.
Okay.
Might get a little heavy.
Okay. Sorry, one-handed. Is your drill in the way of his ladder? Let me grab it.
One more, because we're just going to lift it up and set it in the rail.
Oh, my turn. Yeah, this thing's kind of off too.
Yeah, that's fine.
That was a lot.
Lift it up.
Oh, yeah. That's what it is.
Oh.
Clicked on that. Okay, I see what
Now you bolt.
You need the driver?
I need his bolt.
Okay.
I gotta find the
Not the driver yet, because we're still going to do this one more time.
Okay.
It's in his pocket with
It's
all
somewhere.
his other stuff.
It's somewhere in there. And along with some fishing wire and some rubber bands and
Whatever.
about just about anything you need. All right. Okay. So Yeah.
It's all good.
Way on us. Okay.
No worries at all.
It'll be just music in the background.
Not yet. We're gonna bring it about halfway out and do it again. Because I don't think there's enough spring in it to completely bring it all the way up. Well, we gotta pull it out. Oh, okay. Disconnect it. Okay, do it again. Okay. But we only gotta go halfway out.
So round number 2.
Round number 2.
Yep. Pull this clip out. Yeah, so we need to tighten it up. It's got to come this way. Not yet. Oh, we're going to have to unwind it and roll it back up again, see if it goes straight. Okay. And then we keep adjusting it till we get it to go straight. Okay.
Every time they say it's simple, I'm like, as long as you know what you're doing.
Seemed like to me like bringing it down took too much work.
Nope.
How far? It's way off that way now.
Yeah, I gotta come with it.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, try it.
that way.
Yeah, but,
A little bit more tighter.
didn't make it.
We're really close, huh? Really close, though.
Over here.
Okay, let's try that.
Get that lined up this time, huh?
There you go. Too much. Oh, yeah, that's all the water we'll be able to use.
Nope.
We're probably out.
Come on, just move the through. There. That's it.
Trust me, he'll come
Let's
back
see
out.
if we got it.
He just wants to make sure Mom isn't leaving. As long as he can see me, he'll come back. He won't.
Got it. That's it.
Yay!
Now we gotta put those two little screws back in. You remember where you pulled them out?
Oh, yeah, there.
Quiet. You're staying there. So that's going to keep it from going that way. We're in need of something better for pins than those pieces of wire.
Hey, shh. We used a little pin in there this time instead of the wire. Your hands are right in the way.
You want to keep it in there so it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, and do the other side too.
I have the world's worst angle right now.
And you lock this down?
Yep. Okay, Homer. We don't need to roll anymore. We just need to lift it up there and set it in.
Okay. Oh, tight.
Yep.
It's in the right place too.
This one's in.
Oh, crap. Mine's in.
Okay. There we go.
Get him out. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Look at how bent it.
Yeah, I know it.
Wait, let me see.
Pressure. Yeah, that's how much pressure's on there. And then from there, you go up on one of these handles.
Oh, yeah.
That's a little bit of time.
Well, I don't want to.
Yeah, I don't hit your plan.
Then you tighten it.
Hang on.
Once you get it where you want it, these come out and you tighten it to hold it there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I remember that now.
And that goes up.
Yep, all the way up.
I can't get that one out.
That goes all the way up like that. And that keeps it from accidentally holding in on you. Success?
You tell me.
Yes.
Now, what do you always say?
Remember, be grateful, not hateful. And we'll see you next time.